Hello everyone. So today we are at Bangtao beach, and if you ever wanted a already completed apartment near the Bangtao beach, which is only 700 meters from the beachfront, this is your choice. It's really nice, 32 square meters apartment. When we enter, on the left hand side there is a kitchen, fully equipped, ready to move in. On the right hand side there's a bathroom. You can have a look. And this is a dining area. We go a little bit further. This is a living area with a sofa bed. So maybe if you come travel with the kids, you just can put the kids here. The TV, leisure zone. Uh, Further down here, this is the bedroom bed, and I quite like this area. So it's quite spacious. So you can put like a table, maybe a laptop or a desktop can work, or just do some notes. Wardrobe, small decorations, two air conditioning. One is in the master bedroom, one is in the living room. Also has a small terrace. The thing that I quite like that the developer, they separated the bedroom and the living area by this sliding door. So yeah, if someone is there watching a TV and you don't want to disturb them, or other way around, you can close the door, and there you go. So the conclusion is 32 square meters, 4.8 million baht. It's a great offer right now for that something that already built. Well, thank you for your time. See you next time. In the project, huge swimming pool, fitness center, restaurant, kids club, and a big reception.